Hello students, let me introduce you to spreadsheet. Students, till now we have discussed and learned two important applications of Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint. While the former helps in creating and editing the documents, the latter helps in making effective and appealing presentations. In this chapter, you will be introduced with another important application of Microsoft Office, that is, Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is one of the most popular spreadsheet software used widely to perform mathematical calculations. A spreadsheet is an interactive computer application for organizing, analyzing, and storing data in a tabular form, in rows and columns of a grid. Microsoft Excel provides inbuilt features and tools such as formulas, functions, and data analysis tools that make it easier to work with large amount of data. Students, do you know the first electronic spreadsheet was VisiCalc, which was created by Daniel Bricklin and Bob Frankston in the early 1980s. Okay, let us first talk about the feature of Excel. Formulas are mainly used for performing simple and complex mathematical calculations. Functions are the built-in formulas used for calculating percentage, interest, average, etc. Formatting features improve the appearance of data. The data is automatically recalculated in the entire worksheet if any change is made in a single cell. Data can be searched quickly and if required replaced instantly. Quick data entry can be done in a large series of cells by using the autofill option. Data can be viewed in a graphical form such as charts which help to understand, analyze and compare data in an effective manner. These features have made Microsoft Excel the first choice for professionals to quickly perform lengthy accounting and financial tasks that help in taking prompt actions. Students, do you know in Excel 2010 you can apply a background to the Excel sheet? Click on the Page Layout tab, then go to Page Setup group, then go to Background option. Hello students, today we will learn about starting Microsoft Excel. Number 1, click on Start button. Number 2, click on All Programs. Number 3, click on Microsoft Office. Click on the Microsoft Excel 2010. Let us know more. To create a shortcut of MS Excel, select the Microsoft Excel option from the Start menu and drag it to the desktop. Okay students, now let us discuss about workbook and worksheet. The Excel window that appears on the screen is called a workbook. It is assigned a temporary name as Book 1. Workbook is like a notebook which consists of a number of pages called worksheets. A worksheet is a grid-like area made up of rows and columns where you can enter and work with data. By default, an Excel workbook displays 3 worksheets at the bottom with the names Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. We can add any number of worksheets in a workbook according to the limits of memory available on a computer. A worksheet consists of 1,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns. Columns are represented by alphabets on the top and rows by numbers on the left side of the worksheet. Okay, now let us take a quick view. To open a workbook, click on the Open option on the File tab menu or press Ctrl+O key combination. Students, let us take quick view to insert a new worksheet. Press Shift+F11. Okay, now let us discuss the components of worksheet. Cell. A cell is an intersection of a column and a row in a worksheet. Each cell is identified by the combination of its column letter and row number, which is known as cell address. For example, A5 refers to the cell at the intersection of column A and row 5. A cell is used to store data such as text, numbers, formulas, functions, etc. A cell can contain up to 32,767 characters. Alright students, let us take a quick view. To go to a specific cell, use Ctrl+G or press F5 function key. Type the cell reference in the reference field to go to dialog box. Active cell. When you click on a cell, a thick black border differentiates it from the rest of the cells. This highlighted box is called cell pointer. It indicates that the current cell is active. Data can be entered only in the active cell. Range. A range is a group of contiguous cells which form the shape of a rectangle. It can be as small as a single cell or as big as an entire worksheet. You can specify a range by writing the starting cell address followed by the ending cell address, both separated by a colon. For example, C1 is to C10 indicates a range starting from cell C1 and ending in cell C10. Name box. Name box is located just above the column heading on the left side of the window. This area displays the location of the cell pointer. The formula bar. The formula bar is located to the right of the name box. This bar shows the data and formulas that you enter in an active cell. Column heading. Alphabets across the top border of each worksheet are called column headings. These headings identify columns with letters A to Z, AA through AZ, and up to XFD for a total of 16,384 columns. Row headings. Row headings are the numbers marked from 1 to 1,48,576 along the left border of the worksheet to represent the rows. Status bar. The status bar is located at the bottom of the Excel window. It gives us information about the current selection. It includes the name of the currently selected command or current activity. It also displays warning messages. Let us find out how to move around the spreadsheet. To input data in a worksheet, we have to move the cell pointer from one cell to another with the help of various shortcut keys defined in the given table. Command, function, right arrow, moves one column right. Left arrow, moves one column left. Up arrow, moves one row up. Down arrow, moves one row down. Page up, moves the active cell highlight to the first row of the spreadsheet and can also be used as an alternative to scroll up the worksheet. Page down, moves the active cell highlight to the next sheet and can also be used as an alternative to scroll down the worksheet. Ctrl plus Home moves the cell pointer to the first cell of the topmost row, that is A1. Ctrl plus End moves the cell pointer to the last used cell on a spreadsheet.